In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical videos 916 with Minimax and Haliou AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a portrait canvas, craft a clear prompt, and generate a vertical-ready visual that slots perfectly into short-form platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. First, open your browser and head to the Haliou AI website. Give the page a moment to load fully so all creative tools are available. Once you're in, look for the Create Image option and click it. Even though we're aiming for vertical video content, starting with an image here is the fastest way to get a crisp 916 visual that you can drop straight into your video editor or use as a vertical thumbnail, background, or key shot. Next, type your prompt. Think of your prompt as creative direction for the Minimax model. Be specific about the subject, the mood, and any stylistic cues you want. For example, describe the setting, lighting, color palette, and level of realism. If it matters for vertical framing, mention things like centered subject, ample headroom, or clean background for captions. Keep it clear and focused. Concise, descriptive prompts usually produce more consistent results. Now, before you generate, open the aspect controls. This is where you define the shape of your canvas. Aspect ratio is simply the relationship between width and height. For phone-first content, 916 is the standard portrait format. Think 1080 by 1920 pixels. Choosing the correct aspect here prevents awkward cropping later and ensures your subject fills the screen the way you intended. Select 916 from the aspect options. A quick composition tip. Imagine the areas where on-screen captions, stickers, or UI elements might sit in your final edit. Leave a bit of negative space near the top and bottom so text and overlays remain readable without covering key details. With your prompt ready and aspects set, click Create. The system will process your request and display the result once it's done. Rendering times vary based on complexity, but it's usually quick. When your image appears, evaluate it like a director. Is the subject framed well for vertical viewing? Are important details visible? And does the style match your brief? If something feels off, refine your prompt, tighten the description, add a note about composition or lighting, and click Create again to iterate toward the perfect shot. That's it. You've used Minimax and Haliou AI to produce a clean 916 visual built for vertical videos. Lock in your aspect, write an intentional prompt, generate, review, and refine as needed. Thanks for watching and happy creating.